A MPP. My show my boy is a surprise. Me guno.
I
will nullify it. 2028 me guno. Me ba Kumasi.
Na mami ko and me a host and a guest home.
Yeah.
Kevin Taylor.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Radio Gold 90.5. Kevin Taylor, I'm going to be your co-host. My name is Ransford Kebuache.
Yes.
You're streaming live from the studios. You're on TV, you're on radio, you're on YouTube, all platforms live. Freunia, now on Freunia. So Kevin Taylor and the Ghost team, we are live. This is the top afternoon show in Ghana. It's a surprise visit. I know Ransford himself is also surprised, but it's politics, it's social issues, it's political, it's general. The numbers will be running up right now.
Yes.
I don't know. I can't see the comments, but I'll be with Rubia because Kevin Taylor Gonzaba show no Astati. Do we have sponsors?
Yeah, sponsors. Sponsors in the dorsum.
Okay.
Over dorsum pass. Sponsors in the dorsum. Furniture City. Furniture City Ghana.
India papa.
Yeah. Omo tuntom and pa. Tuntom kunya papa. So open kunya dia go office. And I say, yeah, I say as of we as already demo. Yeah, the beko restaurant. Furniture City Ghana so omo eso yasene. Then of course, NLE. National Lottery.
Okay.
Almost so one of our sponsors. MP is also one of our sponsors. MP the all can say Okoto Fango now face a Fango near Wiao. Who's a Fango Bua Bogakoto? A me 200 na Aquarabu 180.
Yeah.
Now or the 20 Ghana cedis in the court. Ultima report it. And as a Fango no crano, the quality no himself from.
Yeah.
Ultima report it. And our customer service, bada. Ultima report it. Or any of our offices, regional offices, you know. Get Accra Jolu no more.
PC waha, PC herbal.
PC herbal.
I know about a year menstrual pains. We mu jao.
Yes.
E mo edin. Ubum sa na kwa. Hope se bibia ejina na so. Ransford menstrual pains and poor flow. Sebio and sheda emayi na sisi. I say ukwa so na mimi wani so fudun so bufu. And so bufu here. Collection time dura. I say u de mo obi akoto. So betu so ntu o nti. Waist and back pains. Obo ha be humba so achachas no nya achacha. Sisiare anyway. Meal edin vitality. And the original now so Mosini BB. Then and poor vision. If you want to make the brotherhood proud. Over say Ransford Kebuache producer Sabiga the area who pia na girls the brass that's the nina sound koso and infections so the atwas near there. Okay. So near twice on prostrate. Yeah, prostrate. Unze member no. You say after age 40 no. So to check out prostrate. From 40 years ago, you know now prostrate now start enlarge. It prostrate issues. Oma je ho baso body pain. 2024. West African 7th edition West African Traditional and Alternative Medical Award the baso. Great.
PC there award you say most promising prostrate disease treatment center of the year. Eti omo Madina and Atadi Air Force Station Basic School.
Okay.
Eti almost so edier no.
Solak Natural Clinic, almost so our system. We provide very good and quality health services. If you have any of these diseases, conditions, come to Solak Natural Clinic. Almost a drum the count baby drew crojin sebio ejina na so fertility problems or awo ho problems are okwa. My wife from back Pentecost will be to the dance here. Assemblies of God will be able to come and Timo Onyame and so everything in chronic white or gonorrhea. Sebio ebu ha na wa wonim yekotwi so yekoyie na bia okotene kakra na yarebia bem gono twi di the same babaso yetwi nika ai babaso producers babaso yawa odom titotruba no modom na piapia because also titi omo waist pains, joint pains, knee pains and back pains ni na so Solak Natural Clinic almost bit my poor sight we ni on shada hu ade you try dey with TV so we see we dey kwhwe anase dey adjust on shada hu ni pa ogina so ye tutu menstrual pains and so se bi obunsa na emamu aye den kakra no They also have quality machines. Abef machines, laboratory machines. Papa na Solak also very good at it. Body mass index machine to check fat in your body. Sebio obuha odidia onim se eduane kra na odi no krampo no ebe masrade aba honam nim. Ni nyina ya adusua. Solak mo omo machines a wugina so a. Machines bi o ha wugina so gigigigigi enane dean angwa anase srade a ewo owedi nim nyina no. Liposuction ye kwotwe srade no ama 6 pack naba anase waste no agina ho yie ene emba yi e kire wakudu ansere we hu say or shepherd and that's one shepherd na Solak there through their natural system, any procedures, they will burn the fat without even having or touching or doing any surgery on you. Ninya all natural. Ransford.
Remember what Rubia or the Bako? Yeah. For powder.
Sorry, Solak no omo Accra, Kokomlimli, Kokomramrai. Yes, close to Harvard Senior High School. And more Kaswa Old Market. Second bus stop no omo Kaswa Old Market. And ti almost say, would you do what? Jina Nefromo 0553932631. Mami Bobo Subium. I saw sorry no. 0553932631.
We not so for the person who do 20. I do back come the more the beko. Yeah. And for men powder. Now powder when say no. Who said remember be one or Martin Kanatiko. Remember there at least from 4:30 to 5 no. Say utimi jina na so.
Omo amutajina TV so she suit enwure no. Almost I didn't know.
It is so timid now. So it a drop a qua, a dimema kajinum, na dear Semamai, na kaka sampa, or my soon yatinka, a fusuamen powder. If you a bois, we want to know about that 30 seconds or home to said will be town and Ninamwa, and a weak erection, and early ejaculation. Yes, a honor. Yeri Yadiana Otiho. Agosi awa maiju so nti o man temana nyane yenim kwase o kwa chimota Madina tema kaswa era Accra Central ebi hodum ti numbers ni 0244017097 and 0552812912.
You are still live on Radio Gold, Kamiaka Loud Silence TV, but it's the same. We are all our partners. Yeah. Loud Silence TV, local partners, Radio Gold 90.5 across the nation. Number one, when it comes to facts, any afternoon show there, Ransford Cable Watch. In the mornings, you see Sena Dombo, right?
Yeah,
I got the name right.
Nombo.
Yeah. Takes over, starts from the morning. Yeah. The ads in bed to us, Anameboa.
So far, I'm saying
yeah, I would say just now my band boys and my band you better so you better right now program lineup and in some way lot of people share me Kevin Taylor about Radio Good. Yes. There's a reason why I'm here tonight this afternoon, sorry. Radio Good are one of the best radio stations in Ghana. You can partners with Loud Silence Radio. Make this on authority. The win of the NDC without Radio Good in Ghana and collaborating with us and Kenya. And these are some of the things we need to appreciate. The work you guys are doing here, tough, difficult, but for some reason, you have the listenership. The facts are here, and that's the main reason why in TND we decided to come and have this conversation with you. Wow. Call radio to be a radio be anywhere I grant me interview. Me interview me a samai.
Say okay, so obehumi answer.
Yeah, me catch you say me who answer me. Me for me being here very very special to me. Very very important. I want people to know say the collaboration between Radio Gold and Loud Silence Media it's very solid and we are not letting it go. Okay. We want to take 10 seats from the Ashanti region and 10 more seats from the Eastern region. It will take dedication. It will take people who are ready and willing to speak truth.
I see.
You can have your reasons and your issues with us. Presentations are different. And Ransford, the way I would present it different from the way I present. But at the end of the day, the facts. That's why I'm affiliated to Radio Gold. I see. Enti, me sure say comments ba.
Comments do number.
Obi edi
I'm up for the what job surprise. So, ni odate mills. Ana we me for ma. We obi wa person wa gasa ball. All right. So we got the be fa.
Konkonsa ba 1.7 omu nyina ba yaw pin clips or say okay on obi na kasa. Ransford Boachi, Sanadomo, all these guys are live. I think say it's because you guys are live right now. Ifo Yesuto, we just started. You are on time. Thank you very much. Ifo John Nana Andor and so RKB, thank you for bringing Kevin into the studios. Harriet T. Cooper is also live on Radio Go tonight. This afternoon, sorry, RKB and KT. Bankers Senor Luis. I say wow, wow. Ambulance Kesia Paba Konaba. Michael Asma also live on Radio Gold. Simon Obina Nukunu is live on Radio Gold this afternoon. Kojo Diche. Also live in Bray. Israel Bruce. Tamaklo to shut up, and GM agrees to go to the third term. Who is he? Dr. Nyawo Tamaklo. What can we but the BCBC our problem. Any problem, yeah. I can also see Adams also as a boss. Thank you very much, Adams, for being here, and I really appreciate you guys holding the fort. Simon Obina Nukunu is back again. Mo Jamal Gomez, Jandam Killer. We are killing Jandam. Yema Obia Space. Emma Sibio Omika Atro Enchegana. Uma Sanders is also live here on Radio Gold this afternoon. Penny Kobna Amwa, the Black Internet Jesus. Thank you very much, Penny Kobna, for being here tonight. Michael Asma is live here with Fire. Also, Albert Enki, right now 1.5. And the numbers are going up. Very interesting, right? Nana, Dean, do you have numbers there? Do you have messages there?
Okay, messages will be now. Obiso Anyindi. We have a banker.
My mom says Park, and I guess no way.
As they say, as AI now at Dawson. Kevin, tell a partner to take your brother's Radio Go Studios.
I'm sorry,
Kevin.
Kevin Taylor. I sound go for Radio Go. Yeah, thank you very much. Kevin Taylor, my bad Radio Go. So okay.
Okay, so Ada Kwesi Emmanuel Francis, fantastic, Kevin. Danny Timin said. KT more fire. Then Marcus Arthur say 1.9K already. Is here got 2.1. It also the other about then okay. Adebim the about Kevin is here. Wow. Said okay ambulance and 17.
Yeah. Also
then the about Serenity McCarthy and so say hey Kevin, I love you like Fanta.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. I can also see Citizen Kujo KT, welcome, and GLC City Builders. Thank you very much. Veronica Autry is also live here. Where is you see? Move forward. Tony Echo Mills. Kujo Sheldon Dabi. We are talking about national issues, important issues.
Yes.
Nyoma you see, Ransford. Yembreki Kakrawo. Comment no.
Yembreki. Okay.
Ayana, people are distracted a little bit, and. We have to be focused. Everybody wants to be like you.
That's true.
And what you need to understand and say, at this point, there's no need for me to argue with anybody.
Okay.
My job is to protect the president, protect the government, to help Ghanaians.
Okay.
If you think you can bring the MPP to power, do your best and bring the MPP to power. Okay. However we do it, any problem. If you don't like my style, it is my problem. If you think you have the best style, use that to bring your party to power. So with us, we are not in competition with anybody. You're Mourinho, you're Lodi, you're body defense, no. Ona we here goes no to qualify.
Yeah.
It proved to spectators, no. Anyway, our team say you can do something. Me, I keep telling you, don't be distracted by things people say. But so be sure you say. Obe misinformia, obe disinformia. Don't let it slide. Okay. I will not let it slide.
Okay.
In fact, I don't have control over your editorial team. But me accord unless I don't see the jandam, I'll kill it.
From
1992, ABC 2016.
Yes.
The Germany call to this point.
That's true.
And a man for you, every man be normal. You can't throw normal.
Yeah.
Obi to me can't some to president so. No facts. Obi to me, etna dem, no more kuku jandam, no more say nipa. Today, Ufa Bibia, and I win a canway, and I win a canway. As far as Unkuta facts, no dear, oh how. It's jandam the dear, it should not slide. The moment of a more space, and I say, you more space, no. That is how they are built. And I'm talking about the MPP.
Okay.
I'm not going to sit here and I'm in my own say they make a party for Biasem. A MPP. My show my boy is a surprise, Meguno. I will nullify it. 2028, Meguno. Mekachans, I will enter Ashanti region. I will take power from there. Otumfuo says to Nana Chancha Hina Bamedo. Nana Domi. And I'm Mr. Das Antimine.
No.
Yes. me gu MPP no me ne wo ene omo adwene eye adwuma omo ka no kore ye be gu no
ye be gu party no
ade ba ko pere de betum de gu no the facts.
Okay.
Protect the government with the facts.
Okay.
So person the MPP ba for facts no for bra.
Okay.
Born na ma share MPP for 2028 the party will go in exile. Omo ba biem.
But what is about me I say obi one will be contesting no. I know the power man no. The fact that on the President Mahama contested last year elections, 2028 in a automatic. Say Mahama will hand over power.
2020, Mahama did not lose by 1.8 million votes.
I know there.
So nobody can sit and weigh their destiny on fan compare Mahama. No, it doesn't work in that way.
I see.
In 2020, can you say Mahama contested 2020 and will lose it until 2028 to be winning? No. Mahama, check Mahama's numbers in 2020.
Yes.
Technically, Mahama won the elections. We all know. In the South Person, yes, our comparison now, check it. The number of people who rejected Bawumia and the number of people who rejected John Mahama in 2016. 2016.
Yes.
Now, Yambra Bedu 2020, how many people rejected Mahama? So the numbers kept dwindling. 2024, the gap is wide. So that argument there. Now, when I saw Omenya flag bearer there. Flag bearer knew.
Okay, Mami for we soon. One of the strong argument or strongest argument Omo is the NDC will be presenting a new candidate, which gives them the opportunity to also sail through.
Yeah, it will give them the opportunity.
Yeah,
because NDC ni powerful from
ni powerful from there, but ni no nim terrain no.
But the NDC as a political party has principles they are working within.
I know there.
John Mahama is the president of Ghana. John Mahama will be campaigning with Obia NDC for whom he say also Orani.
Okay.
The NDC will be campaigning on John Mahama's record. Ghanaians are not going to be looking at individuals. Ghanaians are looking at the work you did for them. And he said, John Mahama, Mobua John Mahama na Oye Jumana. It does not matter who represents the NDC. Mimpo, I'm not even looking that far.
Okay.
I'm looking at what should be done today. When what is done today is right. When people are going to the ballot, they are not thinking about who is on the ballot. No. They look at the policies that is helping them.
Okay.
Queenina or taking tampono. Farmer service center abana and the or no otumi ekoji seats.
Yes.
Abain to me buano money chandi fuso. The cooperative aba. I will say when you improve it on a brabomuno. Or per se NDC in the twaso.
Okay.
So it's not about an individual. And that is the mistake the NPP are making. Right now, the NPP as a political party, it is about individuals. It is about Bawumia.
Okay.
It is about Kennedy.
Okay.
The NDC is not about anybody. There are so many things that happens in the NPP, NDC wins. And I said in Ketia, there are so many things I want to mean or NDC. It should tell you the party is not about individuals.
Yes.
And to me, I'm not worried about who succeeds John Mahama or who doesn't succeed John Mahama. What I'm thinking about now, the priority is that John Mahama should deliver.
Okay.
When John Mahama delivers and we get to that point, we will cross that bridge. And it's not go Kumasi, I cross the bridge and I cross the lever. We drew her. So me, I don't care about anything now. What I care about is the 4 years. Yeah.
Policies, you know.
Yeah.
Say about reflect ye now Ghana for and what all.
That's the most important thing.
And the first
Obi enu wako jina ballot. And also wako also to aba.
Yes.
Oka say with them dabi ope bibi ejina so. Anything that we saw the change in 2024,
yes.
The gap was wide. The NPP still don't understand. People are not voting because of where you are coming from, the tribe you are coming from, the religion you are part of. People are voting because they see something in you.
Yes.
And when I say I see something in Ransford, it is consistency.
Okay.
It is what you believe in.
Okay.
It is your track record. If I believe in that, anything that you are assuming, me a Christian. There's something that's making me a Christian. I'm
okay.
We are Muslim. So the principle, you don't have a problem. Yeah, that's all. And see, I transition in the NDC for Krano, they are not supposed to be worrying themselves right now about transition. They should deliver. When they deliver, transition will be easy for them. Let's get to the river. John Mahama do 7 months, or do 8 months.
I feel next month.
Inti kaja bi nyimu kranko nyangwe. Inti say gidi na ne dey.
Ba only all the 2 years old too. One thing was.
Wana.
Unia.
Sebiga. Only 2 years old too.
Only 2 years old too.
Maternity.
So, yeah.
So, but like, seriously, no. I think it's a Ghana for about 2 years, no.
Yes.
Obi no also no. But so far, last we said MP before question, so me ya no. Mobile power bedding.
MPP ba power bedding.
Yeah, the power bedding.
But when you listen to them,
yeah,
they are telling us that Ghana for film. Ebio, sisi an omo kwatena se no. Omo realize say enema nko yenti no omo pae chawo yemfa chewom. Na ebi nsibi.
There be now them ne oba neti. And oba we so nye duane a onye.
Yes.
Oba no nyoma nkitikiti be also ye so oba no onye. Oba foforo ba ya. Why ni nyina? Inti onja oba no be found there na obeye.
The question is
answer. Because if you are talking about unemployment, this government is putting policies in place. And I share the mid-year budget.
Yes.
When you are talking about corruption, the government is taking steps. And the example kind of create, you can see realistically on the ground people are fighting galamsey. You can see it. It is a tough battle, but you can see people. The will is there. What are you talking about? Inti so person about power. Share me the opposite of the power ne beye.
And don't go on.
Inti mo beye dien. Untumi si school. NDC for statistics schools no muja.
Okay.
Untumi si regional hospital. NDC for they have opened it up. Media budget. More roads are going to be constructed. They have done it before. It is also tremendous. The opposite obeye met me jina hakasa mo.
Okay.
It's there na mo obeye. Tell me.
Omutibi chirimu dia.
Yeah, to me, but me or Kennedy, whoever. MPP forming a platform now. Can't Ghana for the PCE because the GDP is doing well now.
Yeah.
Your reserves are good now.
Yeah.
The dollar rate is good now.
Yeah.
We are talking about free SHS, stable.
Yeah.
Kids are getting school. Basic education, it's working.
Yeah.
People are getting free tuition in the universities. People with disability are even being given free tuition. I'm talking about the first year students in universities, public universities. Yes. They are getting first year tuition free.
Yeah.
Now, at the end of John Mahamani and this Kaya Munya, it's MPP, then I'm a person obey.
Question
yeah, you know, into me, many NPP for your argument. Tell me what you want to do. Then I'll pass all here. Because there's nothing here. Over to my catch and say NDC and Yintimin to Abamau.
Okay.
Minima the crow, a chair be our cabaco.
Okay.
And the MPP bedding. We don't need MPP again. The NDC will make mistakes. There will be scandals. The NDC will hit a block. That is human institution.
Okay.
A political party is filled with thousands of people. Your womb, your papa womb.
I know the.
The fact of the case is the will, the willingness to help the people. They have shown it. And we have to support them. Where we have to constructively criticize them, we criticize them. I've sat on my platform to criticize the president and other people.
I know the.
It does not mean say NPP NDC.
About 2 weeks ago, national security will be on my shanty region. I was saying, maybe on my never have.
You need to let them know.
Me no more goes.
And on say, and allow me to inti ding. Inti oh demonstration out the letters are called diplomatic inti ding and inti to my MPP.
And none of the see time our media budget review presentation a course no.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry. And I'm call presidency. I'm the petitioner call. Then there are 2 key ones been made who come back. One say former Kaswa Mamano Butu. Aha. Yakuti and Ayase or Ablikuma North. Eti Omapani Embra Bontina on apology mra. Then again, they spoke about Galamsey.
Yeah.
Say still no Galamsey no cars over fight no.
Yeah.
And there's still 18 Ghanaians up. 18 no. Oman home so. And then also him say Galamsey there. The campaigns no 8 years ago in Mkwaya.
Yeah.
Political party be the
Inti day. Inti day.
It's name unity and Romo Nantico Jubilee House one.
Doesn't know me no kai. And the police have done the investigation. 2 people have been arrested.
Of course.
There's a commission report. The president Ekufuor-Addo.
Yes.
I want them to start from the back. Nobody is justifying election violence. But it should start from the back to the point where Yama judges at Tanase, at Namotuso for hours to tell us that Brady Champon should be dealt with. Now these same people walk to Jubilee House to say, these are people who don't have any moral right to speak in our community, in our country. Me, Ghana for Muhu MPP for say they are a bunch of liars, jokers, comedians. Omukasa Yensri, leader, content creator, Afenyo Markin, on YouTube, TikTok, no person video call.
Oza.
Yeah, on TikTok. I think your market there. What you we never for us 99 years. We should disclaimer maybe I'm on count, but I make we are not supposed to take them serious.
Yes.
Always just listen, it's okay. But at the end of the day, what has to be done and they say, yeah, Tiana for your market could be true assume and
yeah.
Has he spoken about it?
No.
Into moral right be no more. But if you can see the terrain, Ghanaians, we have moved from that jandam kind of politics. Last night in your market in your parliament, I can say Ketan MP no, you're the minister, no?
Yeah.
Professor.
Dr. Grace, I used to that.
I didn't know before a year's an Those are mind games. Those are mind games. And could be Ghanaians have to be focused. So far, businessmen or more Ghanaian who say there's some development. We are not supposed to be distracted. A simple thing. We share MPP ni betnaha. We say opese mo beye den. Dia na mo beye. Inti dia ai. Inti si ayanya den. Mo pe power dia ye den. Metuma catch us ende. Me ba be ko Kumasi.
Okay.
Metuma catch us ende.
Obeko Kumasi.
Me na ho. Nana piao, me do. Me ba Kumasi. Bibiansi. Dabi when I'm free.
Papa be to warn you what was that video no.
Papa Ben.
Papa be US or no US or no tia bata. What dey
US or ten.
And I just me.
Say or 10 or to US and tanya so. Kasi baby ku timbure ba betina so e boga. Me sanyo man me tie. Me ni Facebook page gra. Me personal Facebook me ni bi.
Personal Facebook ni.
No.
Me aka ni adwuma dey.
Into social media here tag Kevin I bother. Me bibi amba me ho. No, I'm focused. I'm doing my job. John Mahama has to succeed. NDC has to be in power for 42 years. Machechira to so.
42 years.
I mean, Shabon Payogu so. Be beyond to Mrs. Sano.
42 years.
Yes, beyond to Mrs. Sano. Me catch on say, I bet you 2 million if you Ashanti region. And every day I talk, and yamin kwanam here. People like you, there are people behind the scenes.
Yes.
Who work so hard.
That's true.
You get it. Not MP before you see a Jimmy. But me person me can't be seen and saying court in some because I respect the court. I respect the court 100%. The decision of the court, I respect it.
Okay.
Wherever way it had gone, Biano, I would have respected it.
Okay.
So be so a killer chairman, Nasa Ojin say Embranya Juma Ghana. Onye the Ojin say me any bini Embranya Juma and Embranya Juma.
Okay.
Yeah. Echo left to echo right to I respect the Supreme Court. That is why my court know the respect and I came to stand before it. And I told the judges I am present, Your Highness, because I respect the Constitution and I respect the Supreme Court. Inti, boss, Ghana ni achichire. Me, what I can say is, I know say I'm a for sure chairman.
Oh, then and there's this now. Jesus akon. They be am bold in Jesus akon.
Some you do ni, and I Jesus so for you.
Okay.
Okay. Inti me ana konta.
Inti what na konta no.
Oh yeah. Say yes. You phone number kram wo. It's a complicated bia. It's a name but me sure say girls person buta questions.
Okay, so one more questions with me about. Lee. Okay, so Caroline Kujo. Also Oka production team no what all US one. One no the about say MPP is dead forever.
Yeah, let's focus.
Yes, on the question of the about. Then Daniel Mark Rabi say KT is in Ghana. This is Revu. Okay. Or also the
5-minute call. Air calls 5 minutes.
Yeah, calls the crowd.
Mom be the atem na nyamisha mumbra.
Okay.
Some of the messages are coming through.
Okay, so messages in the also, but your phone lines in the Accra 0302 3492. 0302 3492 0599 922.
Hello? Okay.
Waba, dropping now. Okay, check your name.
You're trying National Lotteries Authority, NLA, for so at this point, you know, they are sponsors on this platform. Caution against lotto fraudsters. Management of National Lotteries, NLA, would like to caution the public not to indulge fraudsters who send messages on Facebook, WhatsApp, or other social media platforms in the name of NLA or impersonate NLA officials promising leaked winning lotto numbers in exchange for a fee. NLA does not give out leaked winning numbers and has not asked anyone or group of people. Hello, caller.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
No, I check us a free.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yo, David Agbalanyo, Manjo.
David, if one.
Follow half.
To now good. Maybe mix race into. David, go ahead.
Kevin, that was a pa nyami shirao. Debia assembly to make up material say. Ofi omo ye police station agent for no. Abayno omo ejuma.
Yeah.
Nti ya asabno de I say ubo hopa ma ye. Moba hopa ma pa. Na omo free radio so say abolo no mu no. Abayno ofie no omo ejuma.
All right, thank you. Okay. All right. Hello, caller. Hello. Are we good? All right. Hello, caller. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
The same person. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You're from the Greater Life. The Catapult Dominican Country. Oh, boss you.
Yeah.
Kevin Taylor. That our life, our radio goes.
Yeah.
Then the other show with TV says. That's the said that you tunka ever. Radio goes yeah, that was so near Ajmadina, Jumapa, oh boy. Master, through radio goes no other media stations, no more for Jumapa,
Yamisha also. All right. Okay. Kabila ye juma hara for chedi gears wa akwaye hard. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Okay, friend.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Emawa Akwaba.
Yeah.
Pagana. Elios Begbese. Inia me bo abasu ejuma pa oye bo ma Ghana ni NDC party or outside Ghana. Mata me follow social media. O kan kweka.
No, he's still on.
O kan kweka the whole world. I'm for who say Kevin Teller or any Fabia or can quite or Ghana. The BC or Ghana or to make can and not to make Kabi, only Ghana, but to make Kabi, who said Ghana, I name my and young for saying Ghana, Kevin Teller, a separate Mahama, he calls no.
That's it. Thank you. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Na girls way. I ran for so ba on me man kwana kasa. Imba ni mahana. Hello caller. Yami sha onso.
Nyami obi adia nyami di show trimu na adu kase pa. Ya bomba se nyami baba e ta de no. Ti se caller do kan no. Mo nche ya ye pre wo. Grassroots no na mo pre juma do mai.
Ya be kasa mamu. Ya da se ya be kasa mamu. Grassroots nti na wa ha. Yami sha onso.
Why you need
all right, thank you. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Me bro for Barof.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Me pacho kasa friend.
Kelvin.
Yes. Me pacho. Okay, go ahead.
Me pacho ki saying.
Me pacho yeah.
Hey, pacho na dia ya to kan radio go. Why are they papa the bia show sao. But ne woman say senya wo ye adwuma no amo to omo fusu na adwuma wan youth no awo to amo a lot exactly. It's so money adwuma say no na be ma 2028 no niama no betimi akọ fast amomo.
Okay.
Because it's na youth na de omo ato omo so. It's so omo so ye bibi ma youth. Majority of my university,
yeah,
they are just roaming, doing everything that they could. And your man, she won't say encourage you not a Jumano and Bamo.
All right. Thank you very much being the first lady on the show. And I have about 2 minutes. Now, the other side, that Ransford will take over from here. Now, he gets Naba. Then we'll. Hello, caller.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
Oh, didn't you make a free station go on school?
I don't know what.
Oh, where do you say? When him say, and I'm going to tell my swearing, you know, me call Independence Square.
Oh, Bintra, that's it.
I told you I said, "We Kevin about life." I train here. Says, "And I'm going for a day." I did be a quite. Indeed, last week, I said, "I'm going to court now. Supreme Court are questioning. You need G.
Nti ene me wo baby am tie radio go na me Kevin live. The one am dey to me page say obi e onim bia untie Kevin live for radio go.
But that's super. Thank you very much. Yes. So I think phone calls, and one more Facebook. So we really appreciate this. Ransford is going to take over from me. Vandy Lati say the love is deep. Thank you very much. Agbemadu says thank you. Isifu is live here. Hector is watching me live tonight. This afternoon, Abdul Rashid is live here. Catherine and so Nana Yao Emeka is live on Radio Go 90.5. Augustine is live on Radio Go 90.5. Lydia Agbleze is also live here. Thank you very much, Lydia, for being here tonight, this afternoon. Newton King is also live here. Ghana is moving forward. It's right. Seidu Shaibu. Kevin, some people will be bleeding. That's a fact. Favorite son is watching me. I can also see Al Hassan Khalif Abdul live on Loud Silence, Radio Gold, all together as one family.
Questions be I'm for the aba. Okay, we say Okatakyie and it's our TikTok on
Twitter.
Misinformation.
And I'm me be. Nana Yaa Brefo. What traumatizing me pa?
Oh, alright.
It is also say why traumatized.
Alright.
Say make can't see me. Also can't see me chairman my traumatized pa. 6 months na me ndidi.
Oh.
Yeah, Nana. Mini sorry. Say me ka bibi tiawa. We dey fache me. Nana also ka bibi kire me. O ka kire me say me bema mini atia me bema papa. Membra Ghana me wari krasi ni ba o ye ga. Yes, say kasa. Say bi waka say tia me yire.
Ande no kra.
Nti bia ebufuo so na bia me so me reply wa say bi o nyina yenyini.
Yeah.
Nti say no abetia say the course nya me so abetia say the course nye.
Okay.
Trauma to trauma you to me solve a problem.
Ande no kra.
Nti Nana ya so e ma make call trauma mu pa. 3 days na me ndidi ye. Nti Nana
almost some misinformation on Twitter and other platforms and how you going to deal with it. And your question back Obinzo de Abasi Mimi sound say are you trying to set up a radio station in Ghana?
You don't necessarily need a radio station in Ghana.
Okay.
I have this. I have Radio Gold.
That's true.
I don't need a radio station. The radio stations are at your fingertip. When Ransford is live, you are live.
Yeah.
You can also watch. It's about sending information out. You don't need to go build any structure to send information out. And the media houses like the BBC, New York Times, Washington Post, they are basically doing business on phones.
Okay.
So we don't necessarily, this is good enough for me.
Okay.
When I'm in Ghana, I can be here, I can do my show.
That's true.
Well, America, so I can still do my show from here.
That's true.
So we don't necessarily need a huge house. We are buying radio, we are not even hearing about it. Misinformation and disinformation. So message be about phone. So they can say news. First thing, so one second message, clarify free or before for say source no. A free.
Be a free the most important.
Be a free the first thing.
Okay.
Well, be a screenshot. I see BB a friend Ghana today. BB
Ghana today.
Akron for Samia who could DHD. Sorry, wait the disclaimer. And yet really good neka.
Okay.
I mean say a year Ghana. A friend saying
Ghana today.
Ghana today.
Yeah.
A MPB for the shade. A boys be. And now I'm church. A tro. Nobody should take. It is sorry Ghana now show me. They be about out there for nyama. A year internet nyama. Obi sani bibi browa. Dinkai busa say a hine free. Obi be when I say be on the name. O say. Check his source in the mommy.
Okay.
We didn't carry a source now, and son, I can watch
them.
Yeah.
Almost by no, down for Bonfire Cross.
On any wine.
Bonfire Cross, almost what you mean, friend. Actually,
on any wine.
Bonfire Cross, Nana,
Abu Bang.
How much on another
message for front?
Okay. Okay, message do don't know how they are about it.
Okay.
And a Juma, oh yeah. Okay, so Akwana, me was out the video be at WhatsApp status or Akwana guys Akwana is on drugs now.
Oh, yeah, on the Mebonidi. Metro TV. Polado Moche.
I'm saying.
Oh, Polado.
On some
see, mini bibia meketiano. Or a penini. You see, so no. Near June said, no, kind of cray, but on kind of cray, you know. And the problem with porn, and they say, or a lot of medical problems.
Oh, some.
Yeah, and Mamon Casantiano. Yeah, or Yaribi Bree. Or starting, yeah, Nyoma be diabetes, and you also you're ready and fancy nipa. And I'm imagining when we say, I don't need to be stressing him. And you mean, I maybe kunipa, master, yeah. And the poor you'll be on your feet, sir.
I see.
Yeah, apart from former Exim Bank owner and CCA. On what who said Irijan Hon. Inti Paul a lot of medical problems.
I see.
Inti Mama will be a man depression. Moose or yes, I drew our fa. No man kitting kitibi and a man yes,
I see.
Desperation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
see Paul there.
Obia yeah. Or say the party grassroots no.
Yeah.
Omwan ya no mokwa bonten kobodero. Said the lady back of Freya or say Ajuma Semono. Advice Bernard President Mama and then buying.
Mr. President, it's simple as that. While buying we, you have a lot of young people. There's a reason why Wapaki are buying with young people.
Yeah.
Then it means to say the young people who did the job are important to you, Mr. President. What we can do as media men is always draw your attention or always try to, remind the government that there were some people are more formal and The last time I was telling a friend to say, all the agencies are a young man they have to lead this.
Okay.
They have to talk to the finance minister.
Okay.
Say, Mr. Finance Minister, we had over 40,000 young people on the streets. Omo risky omo life. Yeto aba, omo jina ho, yeto omo so sekan, yeto omo so. Mr. Finance Minister, open the budget for us to, at the end of the day, employ people. Your NHIA, your YEA, your Pablo, they need to open it up. They need to open it up. And the finance minister needs to listen to this. The young people out there, Sibia Nyoma Sasano, they are able to read through things.
Yeah.
They make judgments quickly. So you need to be very careful when you are dealing with them. The kind of goodwill like Ghana for Mebunu Ewo Abaywe, we need to sustain it. Mr. President, if the budget is tight, open up the budget.
Okay.
Let the people speak. Momon Kasa, a youth in the Dubai, give them jobs. And the last time I catch you, if you're a young man, look for government opportunities.
Okay.
There's so many policies are binding about any opportunities are. We can't sit home and say Benya, the entrepreneurship program, 1 million coders program. There are a lot of them out there. Put something in there. Say this is my card. Do it. Because at the end of the day, we are all chasing jobs. The president will do his part, the government will do his part, but when the opportunity comes, and I think that all the policies are binding with decentralizing. Every district you go, you get somebody to talk to about farmer service center, about a year 24-hour economy, about a year other things are buying yet. We need to policies in the also. So it is a women's bank.
Yeah.
When it starts, who say seed money be or when they start to, we need to take advantage of it. We have to take advantage of policies.
Okay.
About we kind of create about Papa About way is not about tribe. It's not about religion. It's not. Don't say your party me no Ghana. NDC a party for the people.
Yeah.
NPP a party for a coup.
And a group of people be nice.
It's all about Nipebi.
Okay.
Let's look at the holistic picture. Party a Ghana. A social democratic party.
Okay.
From J.J. Rawlings. Time and on Ghana for young people. A train quine. Or rural electrification program.
Okay.
Project. Or the Kania Air Kunkurasibia. Or what we call the FQ. Free compulsory universal basic education. Primary schools. Or banning him at a point. Try to build some dams. You see, this is what we call governance for the people. And that is what we follow. Slowly, at Tamil's Baye. Then you saw what Atamil started. John Mahama came, expand our education, infrastructure. That is what a government does. We are a third world country. We need to take it one at a time.
Yeah.
So a political party, and to me, from the head to the last person, and to me, explaining what review means. It's not a political party. From Hakmoro Usajman, to the last person who MPP, they cannot define what review means. That is not a party worth following. Look at somebody like Nana B. Look at somebody like Chema Untumi. Look at somebody like Baumia Elia, Kennedy Japan, taking contracts, not even delivering. These are people who are not supposed to be trusted. So let's not go back. Hey, Mamaka Bibi Chamo. Adebia Muhun is Sia or Ghana.
Yes.
Mutu abati NDC. MPP best saying na. Intended so first year university.
Yeah.
Now, or sometimes from now to 42 years, 43 years, no. What about university first year government school biano untia. MPP bomb between. Free SHS on my year and then Kurani did the panel.
Yeah.
So mistake now to tier NDC. MPP bomb between. Yeah, can't a year the government in a year when it comes to creating opportunities. And mid-year budget. Kwanya ye no Ghana. MPP bomb. We don't have to go there again. Into one thing, let's focus. Abide by mistakes is a fact.
I know there.
Abide by mistakes. Yen to me yen correct you more, yen criticize you more, but we should not change the government.
Okay.
Let's stick with them because said na yen is 40 years and then you need to crime him.
I know there.
Yeah. But the moment you be divert a crib, you know, we are not ready to get people to come and model in the Jubilee House. We don't want makeup artists. We don't want TV so malam for. We don't want galamsayers. We don't want white people have screwed their brains to come to the Jubilee House. We want right-thinking people. Yeah, I'm called Jubilee House to makeup. And yet Jubilee House near the Oya galamsay kasiye. And yet Jubilee House near the also run chance 2,000 more bruchira or back the Arabi. What we are doing at the Flagstaff House is governing. Yatiara make milk by milk mill, Benum or Jubilee House. Sanko for your demonstration drama can wasm. So let's focus.
Okay.
The confidence is there. Maybe Ghana me Ghana for more. Ghana for the difference between NDC and the MPP. You guys are doing a great job. People are listening. The goodwill is there. I'll go back home to America. I'll continue my job. Nyame adom, the chain is off. I am saying on this platform, what is coming is bigger.
What is coming?
Oh yeah,
it's bigger.
Oh yeah. And the meeting Kaka said Ghana no, my NDC aboso. It is bigger. I am going to protect the president. I am going to protect the NDC. I am going to protect good governance. I'm going to keep the NDC in power for 42 years.
I don't know.
42 years. Wa bless me. Nobody can change that. 42 years. And sa. Ya chichira to so. Me share the snap guso. O ye hwe nyi. Nana me do.
Ye dia kwesida ya also.
Chancha ye dia kwesida guso. Gigi. Me ba Kumasi.
Gavin.
Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Production team, Sebiga. Any guy behind Alaska. Alaska
no. Why former musician no?
Hey, Alaska boy.
Oh, why former musician?
Alaska for Accra to smile.
Bra.
My lyrics back with me. Hey.
I say my kuni career.
Oh,
onto you ba ko njira me.
Ala.
Obaya ti enyimo to ye. Mama kan yo no Alaska.
Alaska yes.
72 you wa ba ufre krasa abra no ufri ko.
Alaska o tro no car mu ana so o tro no studio. The Alaska bomb.
All right. Thank you so much.
I appreciate this.
The lava also a Nyama team no. Super fantastic.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Yes, so that's it.
Thank you very much. My name is Kevin Akobedu Taylor. This is Radio Go 90.5 in collaboration with Loud Silence TV. We'll be back. We'll make sure the right things are done. We are all messengers who are ready and willing to speak truth to power.
Okay.
Gigim. Thank you very much.